if you look at your calendar, we are drawing a hard line in the sand from free content to doors open. And what that line in the sand is the line between teaching and selling. Sell, right? Oh my gosh, I'm so uncomfortable to sell. I just hope if I'm really nice to people and I teach a lot that they'll just throw money at me.
Right, okay.
Right. I want to make some people uncomfortable on this call, right? Like, you're going to have to sell, okay? Sell. Okay? So if it's card open week and you're like 2 days in and you're like, free trick on how to blah, 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 you're just attracting more people that are just looking for more freebie stuff, and you're wasting your time and their time. And then it's going to feel like a bait and switch. Right. You're going to be like, by the way, and my thing's available. And all the people that just came for the free stuff are now going to complain that you're selling something. So the free teaching and content mode is over come Monday. And Monday through Thursday, if your dominant intent isn't to help make the interested people on the fence get clear on what decision they need to make, you are doing them a disservice. In other words, at this point in time, the people that have gone through the live launch are sitting there saying, I think I want this, but, and they've got an objection, as like we went over, right? And if your dominant intent isn't to give them clarity on what to do, then you're just going to confuse them. And when we confuse them, they're not going to buy. Here's even more stuff. So day 1 through day 4 is all about getting the decision, getting everyone to make a decision. Not to get them to say yes. It's getting them to make a decision.